Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. Today in this video I am going to show you how you can successfully create account on Discord. So first of all, you need to download a Discord application from Play Store, and I have been also leaving the link in the description for downloading. So now just successfully open your Discord application. Now just click on the register button to create a new account. So now after clicking on the register button, you can enter your phone number or email. I am using the email process. I am not using the phone number process because it will take a too long time. So let me put a mail ID here. So after entering the mail ID, click on the next button. So now just put the username which you want to use for your account. So after entering the username, you have to enter a password. Make sure that you remember your password.
Yeah, let's go. I don't wanna break down. Always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane.
Now after entering the password, click on the next button in order to register for your account.
I'ma pick a side and I'ma take pride.
And now you have to enter the date of birth of your time.
If you try to shake me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the plan. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside.
So now after entering the date of birth, click on the done, and now click on the create an account button in order to create your account. So now you have been successfully created your account. Let us wait for the Discord to verify once. So now you can see you have successfully created an account. You can also join your friend Discord or add a friend. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe.